AQPRO ScalperX Indicator spots real-time breakout signals, tracks max profit, and shows smart take profit and stop-loss levels to manage your trades. Use it to catch fast entries, filter out noise, and trade breakouts confidently across multiple time frames. Here's what you see when AQPRO ScalperX loads on your chart. Green and red arrows show where to buy or sell. Each arrow comes with a colored box that shows the price breakout area, so you can clearly see where the move started. Once a signal appears and the candle closes, the indicator draws your take profit and stop loss lines. These are shown with price labels, so you know where to exit the trade if it wins or loses. On the side of the chart, there's a dashboard that shows buy and sell signals from other time frames like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. This helps you know the bigger trend without switching charts. The indicator also shows support and resistance zones. These are key price areas that help confirm if a trade is strong or risky. Everything is automatic and easy to read. No need to guess or draw anything yourself. AQPRO ScalperX helps you trade better by showing clear signals, smart exit levels, and strong trend support, all in one place. Let's go over the AQPRO ScalperX settings. Start with range equals 5 and filter equals 2.5 for quick, clean signals. Turn on max profit to see how far trades go. Skip MTF signals unless you want extra confirmation. Turn on the MTF dashboard and set it to bottom right. It shows trade info from 4 timeframes without switching charts. Enable Use Current Ticker and choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours for your dashboard timeframes. Go to Risk Settings, turn on Take Profit and Stop Loss, and set Risk to Reward to 2. Switch on Support and Resistance Zones with a look back of 20 bars for key levels. In visual settings, keep it clean. Green for bullish, red for bearish, blue for profit, and purple for strong zones. Finally, turn on buy and sell alerts to catch every signal as it happens. That's it. ScalperX is now set to trade fast, clean, and smart. How to take a sell trade using ScalperX Indicator. Wait for a red triangle to appear. This signals a valid sell setup. Once you see the red triangle, look for the candlestick to close outside the box. This confirms a breakout to the downside. Now enter your sell trade at the marked entry point. Set your stop loss at the level displayed by the indicator, and place your take profit at the take profit level shown on the chart. Let the trade run, and as you can see here, it eventually hits the profit target. Now let's look at a buy trade. Here we've got a green triangle, which signals a valid buy setup. Again, make sure the candlestick closes outside the box. This confirms a bullish breakout. Once that happens, enter your long trade at the entry point. Set your stop loss at the level provided by the indicator, and your take profit at the take profit line just above. As the trade runs, price moves up, and in this case, it also hits the profit target successfully. And that's how you use the AQPRO ScalperX to take clear, structured, and profitable trades. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate the AQPRO ScalperX Indicator access directly to your TradingView account. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.